10 minutes ago up the tree.
Oh.
Now she's going on the barbecue. Not a lot of, not the fattest chicken, but I'm sure lots of flavour. I said, where's the food? It's up in the tree and
Chicken.
running for its life because
There. With what?
it's up in the tree
Yeah.
and running for its life because it knows we're going to eat it. The speed. Come and see the speed of the wild chicken. It knows it's going to go on the barbecue. Yeah. It knows it's going to go on the barbecue.
Go, Sved! Run! Sved, run! There, there! Poor chicken! Sorry! Oh, hold it on the wings, Sved! Wings.
Don't panic.
Poor chicken.
Mantap.
Mantap! Yeah.
Mantap. Mantap.
You move the feather, no? And then you cut
Yeah.
for the blood. Then you hold like this. And the two. Like that.
Yeah.
Oh, you know, eh? You know.
Sis the
Okay, okay.
Video for this?
Well, just a little bit. In England, they maybe burn my house down. But this is natural, eh?
Yeah, it's
Natural.
in the village.
Yeah.
Katanya mati siapa nih deh?
In England, we just don't see this part.
Yeah, because in England the chicken there in fabric.
Big factories.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They
No taste.
they treat them even
Yeah,
worse
yeah.
and kill them worse.
Yeah, no taste.
That's gonna be pet. No, pet bed.
Eh?
In England will be pet.
In England, be a pet. Yeah.
Ah yeah.
Yeah. We have an ex chicken.
Easy.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wow. Put it in hot water and the feathers just come off
Yes.
really easy, yeah.
You never know that.
No, I didn't know that. No, because it's all done. In England, everything is done.
Yeah.
All the feathers come out easy.
Everything is instant there, yeah. The chicken hatching from the egg.
We're in the village.
This is probably like maybe 6 months or
Okay.
7 months or even a little bit more.
And everything here, compost. Yeah?
Yes.
Put all the goodness back into the soil.
Poor chicken.
Poor chicken.
Barbecue.
It couldn't fly high enough up the tree. Yeah? I'll celebrate its life with a beer.
Sometimes when you open the white chicken, all this very soft. Yeah, because they digest all soft things, and also people inject.
Yeah.
And this
You
very
know it's
strong.
yeah.
all the muscle you feel. And this we're going to
Can you do this?
Yes,
Yeah.
of
We used to
course.
have like that when I was young. My dad always killing chicken. We have some chicken as
All
well.
right, so now all clean.
All clean.
Yes. See, we gotta
Yeah.
grill it later like this.
Perfect. This is the family pet called little Kopi Loa. A civet cat.
His name
His name?
name Rakun.
Raccoon. Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's a boy.
He likes coffee. He likes the coffee bean.
Banana.
He likes bananas. Yeah.
Raccoon.
He likes bananas and coffee beans.
Yeah.
Make him work. Yeah. Get him up the tree. So the barracuda's prepped. The chicken's sorted. The coconuts are getting done. And even the skewers. The bamboo skewers are made fresh. Straight from the wood. And Cleo's making the
Sambal.
sambal.
This for sambal. Shallot. I'm peeling up.
You're helping Auntie.
Peeling off.
Special technique. The master chef.
Master chef.
Master chef.
Real chef. Makan berikan ituan ya, Bah. Mana tinggalin bilang, Pak? Mana tinggalin bilang.
And I want to go, she was up a tree. Now she's on a skewer. Perfect. Beautiful. Perfect.
Get some video.
Video, yeah, yeah. So turmeric oil. Turmeric oil.
Turmeric oil and a little bit salt.
There we go.
Mm.
Oh. And away we go, over the flames, over the charcoal. Oh,
Smoky, smoky.
very smoky. Smoky's flavour. Check on the chicken. The poor chicken is barbecuing away. Starting to get nice colour now, yeah?
Hijau putih ya, lempungan. Hijau putih. Lempungan.
Yeah, he nips it with his fingers, yeah. Yeah, yeah nearly, nearly. Almost, almost. So fish satay, first time I've had that.
It's gonna be nice, especially
Bali menganyang dede, ngumpulangin tok,
we're
atang.
using our hand.
Ilin aku tok.
Right. And what was the sticks? Palm skewers. Bamboo.
This one is coconut.
Coconut palm.
Ya ada ni cok, siap dulu cok. Alan. Alan.
Alan.
Yeah?
Alan.
Nogan ko na siap-siap. Sang mam putang ni. Sa mga nogan mam, tengah ni sing. Putang ni sang mam liu.
No problem.
No problem.
Mengantongin.
That's how do they like
Oh, too windy out the back?
Yeah,
Too windy, okay. So everything,
here,
this is quick grill, yeah? Quick grill,
quick go.
yeah. Just turn, wait to color,
Yeah, like,
color.
2 or 3 times.
Okay.
And ada katek pula.
And that's the chicken finished now, yeah? Chicken's finished.
Maybe in 20 minutes.
Oh,
It will
okay,
be
still cooking, yeah?
Yeah, still.
But good
hot.
color, good color.
Good color and nice.
Good heat, huh? Good heat.
sambal. Sambal.
2 hours ago, this little chicken was in the tree, running around with its friends. This morning, this fish was swimming in the sea. These sticks were growing in the garden. What is it? Coconut tree, coconut palm. This was growing on the tree half an hour ago. Fire leaves. And we've got an absolute feast from nature to plate with our lovely friends and family in our little village in the Sumberkima Hills. Sumberkima!
Sumberkima.
Wild chicken for the first time. Top vibes. Yeah, fantastic. Papaya salad. My friend, the chicken. Barracuda, satay, sambal, fish balls, happy people. Last night. Yeah. And a crazy wife.
Mukbang, yeah.
Yeah, same?
Same.
Mukbang.
Mukbang.
Yes.
We got some good vibes.
Yeah.
This is proper. This is real food. Yeah.
Ih, kayak motor
We
aja.
have
Oh,
soup,
katunan motor aja.
papaya salad leaves,
Jumlah
sambal,
ada lu besar apa?
chicken,
Ada tu kamu sendiri.
Happy New Year to all. Yeah. Happy New Year. Wow.
Your effort.
So the chicken. Which part's the tastiest?
breast part.
Huh? Pure chicken.
And
Wild chicken. Tastes smoke.
yum. Mantap.
Mantap. I mean, delicious.
Yay.
Tidak.
Okay.
Good.
Good.
Ada petang masih.
Yang Juni aja pakai bro.
Yeah.
Taste of chicken. Yeah, it's good.
Real chicken.
And this is for you.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year,
Bye bye from
everyone.
Bali.
Our last night here in Bali. Oh no,
Wow.
we're moving to Ubud.
The dessert has arrived.
There's our
This one's made from the leaves. Yeah.
Yeah, the jelly leaf.
The jelly leaves.
From jelly, coconut milk, and brown sugar.
Wow.
Thank you. And bintang.
And bintang, I wish with you. Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Yay. Go on then, let me see you try it.
The leaves.
The leaves of a plant on the side of a road. Come on, try the gel.
Oh
the
wow,
jelly,
it's
the
like
jelly.
pandan.
Yeah, good, good.
Coffee?
Coffee, okay. Right.